Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, in the last video, we built a website for a doctor. I still need to record the doctor's response. The email did not work, so I need to call her, but I'll call her live for you guys. But in this video, we are going to be finding companies and selling them websites that we're gonna be building with AI. So, we're gonna basically go into Lovable or any AI platform that builds websites and create a website, and we're gonna focus on the construction industry. So yeah, let's go to Google Maps. Okay, guys. So I just searched construction companies, and if I just go scrolling to the top, yeah, these guys have a full website. I know this company, but if I scroll down now to the second one, you see this one doesn't have a website. So what I can do is I can give him a call. This guy's name is Majani. Yeah, give Majani a call. Just here, he's based in Luxembourg. Let's see his ratings. This guy's good ratings. Oh, there's only one review, 5 star. Let's give Majani a call and hear what Majani has to say about having a website. Let's see if I can close this client. We got the phone ringing.
Not available on the MTN network.
Not available. Okay, let's try another guy. This one has a website. It's a very good website, I think. Just go into it. Yeah, no, this is decent. Could be better. Are we looking for either old or guys who don't have websites? My scroller is going crazy. Machani was number 2. Let me see. Okay, Johnson. Johnson has a website. Okay, I might have found somebody. I just went out of Johnson's profile. I might have found a leak. Yeah, construction. Scroll down. A leak. Where was this? Oh, yes, a leak. There's no website attached. And they're based nearby. Let me just try and phone them to find out what's happening. Do they want the website? Do they not want the website? But we're gonna try to sell them a website. Okay, here's a dialing. It's on speaker. I see it's a woman owned business.
Hello?
Good day. Is this Ali Construction? Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, it's Ali Construction.
Good day. I'm on Google Maps here and I see you guys don't have a website.
No, I got the website.
You-
I'm using with
You have a website?
yes, I got the website.
Okay. I will because I do website designing and I was just reaching out to a few clients in the construction industry. But maybe we can set up a meeting. I can see how the website looks. If there's any improvements to be needed.
Where are you located?
Yeah, in Musenburg nearby.
Okay. So we can arrange. You can WhatsApp me so that we can arrange.
Okay. Let me get your WhatsApp number. What's your WhatsApp number?
Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number.
Is that your WhatsApp number?
No, the same which you are calling is my WhatsApp number.
Okay, cool. Okay, Alec. Okay, I'll send you a WhatsApp later. Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay, so thanks, man.
You never know. I'll WhatsApp him later, Alec. So let's just go down the list. I see this is a well-established company in the business park. There's another company, WC Construction, also based nearby. Let's try and call them. Let's see. Let's check the reviews. Three reviews. There's one very bad one. Hello. Hi, is this WC Construction?
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm good, man. I am a website designer, and I'm seeing on Google Maps that you guys don't have a website.
Yes, no, we're not using it anymore.
You're not using. Do you had one or you didn't have one?
No, we didn't have.
Okay, so I
How much
design
is
I design websites for companies in the construction industry, and I see
how much?
you got quite good reviews on Google Maps.
Yes.
Yeah, so you're doing good work. You got I can create a website for you where like your clients showing testimonials about your clients and giving the feedback, and it will look nice.
Where do you stay?
I'm close. I'm in Musenberg area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll try with you.
but my work is online, you know.
No, I would need to meet the person like face to face.
Yeah, no, that's not a problem. I see you based in Musenberg as well.
Yes,
Okay, no, is this your WhatsApp number?
yes.
Okay, well, would you want to meet up? When
Yeah,
you?
we can arrange, but now just send me a message. I'll reply later. I'm busy now.
Okay, no problem, brother. Okay, we'll chat later.
Sure,
Okay, sure.
sure.
Okay, second client who wants to book a meeting, no problem. Nizam, fix it all boulders. He doesn't have a website. Let's try calling him. Oh seven. Okay, let's call him. Let's see. Nizam, come on, we got a winner. We got a winner. We got two so for two meetings. Voicemail.
Zero, 7, 4, 5,
Okay, voicemail. We'll call him later. Starward Construction. Let's see. Nothing. Okay, let's go. There's no website here. Megalog, sorry. SA Carpentry. Let's call them. They're based nearby. Okay. It's ringing. I gotta close someone. 5 stars as well. Only one review though. Hi. Hi, is this Megalots? Melox. Is this Melox? Okay, nice to hear from you, man. I am looking at your Google Maps here. On Google Maps, I see you based in Grassy Park or in Musenberg. Is it Musenberg, right?
What there?
You based in Musenberg.
Yeah, Decent Bank, Ocean Bridge.
Okay, you into construction, right?
Yes,
Okay, I'm just going through your reviews here, and I'm seeing you got quite good reviews, but you don't have a website.
a website.
Yeah, you don't have a website.
My log is address.
Hey, I can't hear you.
Log, it does have a website.
I can't hear you, man. Can you say again?
My log,
Is that
it has it has a website.
it?
My
There?
log.
Okay, there's a website. Okay, but I can't see it here on Google Maps. Yeah, but what I do is I'm a website designer.
Let me if my boss take that website. Let me call my boss and call you back right now and tell you the website.
Okay, my locks. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, that was useless. That's the wrong person. You want to speak to the owner, not the workers. So there's another company nearby. Also in what side is this? Is this Capricorn? Yeah, let's try this number. Oh wait for. Okay, let's see. Let's call him.
Number you have dialed does not.
Wrong number. Did I type it right in? Yeah, it's right. I typed it right in. Okay, Westgate projects. Let's try them. It's weird that this place doesn't have a website. But let's give him a call. 065 505 603. They have no reviews. Hi, is this Westgate?
Hello.
Is this Westgate Projects?
That's correct, sir.
Hi, good day, sir. I'm on Google Maps here, and I'm looking at your profile on Google Maps. You're based in Costa de Gama, right?
I've moved, yeah,
Oh, you moved.
to Spain.
Okay, I see you don't have a website, sir.
Sorry?
You don't have a website.
No, I haven't got a website.
Okay, I'm a website designer, so
Okay.
I would like to know how we can help each other work together. You know.
Then what you can do, you can give me a call sometime tomorrow. I'm actually on the road now, and then we can chat. Yeah?
Okay, no problem. What's your name? Sorry, so I can save it.
Sorry?
Your name, so I can save it.
Jerome.
Jerome. Okay, Jerome. My name's
Yeah.
Tristan.
Okay, Christian.
Okay, I was in your WhatsApp.
We can discuss, eh?
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Right.
okay. Yeah, I know. Bye.
Okay. So we got 3 book meetings, and for tomorrow and later. Let me just save his number before I forget. Jerome, construction, website, design. Okay. Let me see who else I can call. This one, Maui. They don't have a website. They relocated to Bayview. Let's call them. 072-905-7648. Okay, let's call. What's his name? Maui Constructions. Oh, they have a review. Maui is a good quality construction. Everybody's busy in the construction. They don't want to answer the phone. Gonna call back. Hello.
People speaking.
I can. Is this Maui Construction? Maui Construction.
Can you leave your number and your name, and then I'll come back to you?
Hello.
Record your message.
Okay, never mind. Couldn't hear a word he was saying. Okay, here's a Revcon Construction. It's a beautiful website. We don't even want to bother. Let's go. Let me scroll down. Philip Construction, where they based? Capricorn. Let's go, Philip. This place may be closed. Let's try Philip. Okay, Philip, let's go. So far we got 3 bookings. One person wants to see me in person, which is alright. Which is not too far. Come on, Philip, answer your phone. It's just ringing. It's just ringing.
Welcome to
Voicemail.
voicemail.
Okay, I think that's enough. I'm just gonna my people at 3. Unless we try Leo's Construction. Leo has a website. Melox. Are you Melox, eh?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Melox. Thank you for calling back, man.
Yeah, it's www dot
Hey, I can't hear you.
www dot
Okay, just hold on. www dot
and all our small letters N
yes
MSADS
MSIDS
MSADS
MSIDS
ADES yes dot
.co.za.
yeah
Okay.
that's one. If you find it, that one doesn't work, just call me back.
It's not working.
Even this one www.msads.co.za.
MSIDS.
Yes.
It's not working. It's not working, brother. That's a big problem, eh, for business. So, who are you the owner or you not the owner?
I'm a brother of the owner. Or can I give you the owner of that telephone number? It's the phone contact number. So this one is
Okay, so give me the boss's number. I'll phone him.
0078
078
168
168
3605.
3605. Okay, what's his name?
Yeah, his name is Kakalan Mokanda.
How do you spell that?
Kakalan Kahkalani.
Okay, I got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay, bye.
bye.
Okay, so the Malak called back. Let me save this number. Well, how do you spell Megalots? Is it Megalots? What was it? Megalots? Where is Megalots? Melox. Okay, let me phone this guy and hear from him. Let's phone him. Takalisha. He's not picking up. Hello?
Have reached the voicemail
Voicemail.
live service box.
Okay. Okay, guys. So far we got 3 bookings. One for tomorrow. One wants to meet, and we got another one. Was it Alice? That has a website and just wants to book a meeting. But okay, I think I'm gonna cut it there. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna make another video following up on this, and then I'm going to post it. Just to so you guys can be in the loop. Then we're gonna build in the websites using AI if I book the meetings. And then yeah, I'm showing you guys step by step. It's very easy. I'll see you in the next video. He's calling back.
That type Malok SA. That one is working.
Say again, M?
Malok
Yeah,
SA.
Malox SA.
Malok SA. Yes, that's
Let's
that
see.
one will work.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, you got the website, yes. Okay, nice. Is there an old website?
Yeah, you will the color, the symbol is an M. That is an M.
Yes.
to watch it.
Okay.
Yeah, and within my next 6 days, I think it and okay.
Okay, I see. Do you guys do updates on the website? Or how
Yeah,
long? Okay, on a regular.
yeah, for now, I can't tell how long, maybe my boss knows that how long, because it's the one who runs the database.
Okay,
So, but,
the website looks good.
yeah, so yeah, that one is working.
Okay, nice. Okay, if you wanna have improvements or you need updates, you can just message me. You can phone me.
No problem. What I think I will tell you.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Okay, the website is quite good. But yeah, if you this is Melok's website, guys. I'll see you in the next video.